turn that on. We're going to pull it out. Alright, so hold on. The idea there is that say you got in trouble, what do you do?
Turn it off.
Right. Alright, so pull that back out. Bring your hand over here. Okay. Put your hand on top of my left hand. On top of my left hand. Okay? Come down just a little bit at a time. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to give this
The spray.
a little bit of lubricant. Okay?
Kind of looks like what you use on a pan.
Yep. This oil is as a cutting lubricant.
Sort of like when you use the pump, you gotta put a little water so it works.
Yep. What that does is that helps the drill
Going smoothly.
cut into the steel. So what this is a soft steel. Okay, this is not fully hardened. This is a piece of 1/4-inch plate. Okay, flat plate. You're gonna feel it. You're gonna feel it break through. See that? See how you got it? It's hot.
Yeah.
It means it's hot, right? So you're gonna feel it. Hold on, take your hand away. See how it came through? Right?
Hope
Now,
you didn't cut the cable.
sorry, that's why I have a hole in the center. So we're gonna locate the second one.